Relicase was experienced in providing customized display cases for bank museums in Indonesia and Malaysia. These display cases greatly contributed to the demonstration of monetary stories, bank systems and diverse cultures in Southeast Asia. Bank Indonesia locates in Jakarta. It has been the central bank of Indonesia since the colonial period. It witnessed the starting point of Relicase as practice in Jakarta. Relicase collaborated seamlessly with world-famous branding company, BDA Design. In the end, 86 vertical, sliding door cases, 10 frameless plinth cases, and 24 comprehensive storage cases were installed to display monetary objects in Indonesian history. Worth to mention is the vertical sliding door case. Exhibits are sandwiched between crystal glass panes. Visitors are encouraged to appreciate both sides of the notes and coins. Sliding tracks and fiber-optical lighting source are hidden cleverly, leaving the focus to the exhibits. Retailing is an indispensable part of Indonesian economy. Storage display cases are designed into forms of retail counters to characterize this side of life. Cases are also equipped with magnifying glass so that visitors could look into the details of objects inside. Optical fiber lighting system and multimedia technology are commonly applied to the display cases, casting the whole venue with modern ambience. Bank Negara Malaysia Museum and Art Gallery offers a multifaceted range of themes through its 6 permanent galleries. These galleries delve into the Malaysian economy, the bank's role in the nation's economic development and financial landscape since pre-independence to the present day. Reinforcing the bank's role as the leader of national numismatic and supporter of arts heritage, the museum also showcases numismatic treasures that are as old as history, as well as its dynamic collection of Malaysian and Southeast Asian artworks. A committee from the museum made a special trip to Chengdu for site visit in September 2008. There they inspected workshops, production lines, and prototypes of display cases carefully. Technical discussions between experts from both parties ensured satisfactory outcome. In the end, coins in counter-like display cases echo with video projection above, creating a mixed space of virtual and physical. Lightened up with featured illumination, exhibition hall takes on a vibe of modern and tech. Vertical drawer storage cases which are optimal for exhibiting coins and notes and classic Relicase storage cases are also frequently spotted in Bank Negara Malaysia Museum.